All right, I'm back. As soon as somebody tells me they're seeing live video, we will get started. Bad goalie's back. Do I have a few others back? Alright, looks like we're back up and running. At the end of the day, guys, I upload everything to YouTube. It's probably not going to be available until tomorrow, but there's a YouTube channel called Rizzo's Breakery. You should be able to find it out there. We're going to start off with the Bowman Chrome. Then we're going to do the Valor. Then the Platinum. Then the Finest. And this should take us right up to the close of the business day. So good luck, everybody. Sorry about that. Had to grab a sorter box because we're going to have a ton of cards when this is all said and done. Here we go. Empty box. Yeah, Jaeger, it's a lot of fun. And if you can find guys, and there are plenty of them out here, who just do this for the fun of it, it's great. Because unfortunately, it generally means guys like me aren't going to be peddling the $600 a box products. But I ship everything out, and there are a lot of guys out here who are the same way. It's just fun to support the business, get your cards, and chat with other collectors. The fun part about football this year is because the prospects are all scattered around, you really can just pick the division you like that your team plays in or your local teams play in, and you'll still turn out okay at the end of the day. Yeah, it's kind of my thought, Jaeger. I know that there are a lot of people who stay up late Friday night, Saturday night. I think Wednesdays or Thursdays are usually pretty busy. And the fact is, if you're a small shop like what the Breakery is, I have no prayer of competing against those kinds of guys. So Sunday mornings, no high pressure. We just come in and chat and maybe open up some product. Maybe we don't, but hopefully have a good time. All right. First box up. Here we go, everybody. Greg Robinson, Norwood, Lynch, a Pulsar Gates, numbered 80 out of 271. We'll go out to the AFC East. Janice, a Bowman's Best Manziel. Kaepernick, Glennon, Rajon Neal, Blake Bortles Top Shelf. Alshon Jeffrey, Reed, Ely, Bryant, Willis, Newton Refractor, Street. Whoa, a nice one for the AFC South. Numbered 70 and 99. Bishop Sankey. On-card auto. Numbered 70 and 99. Immediately into a top loader. And we'll actually go ahead and go all the way. Pardon the pause here while I file. Sorry, Jerry, this is probably it for the morning. I sign off at 1, but we're here most weekends from about 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock. So if you're interested, drop back and see us next weekend. Randall, Welker, Bridgewater, Morris, and Colston. Julius Thomas, numbered to 299 for the AFC West. Nice card there. Shaw, a Sankey Bowman's Best. Ali, Ware, Barr, Robbie, Cruz, Refractor Sherman, Brandon Cooks, Mini Sankey, Chrome Dix, Chrome Carr. When I ship these out, guys, I will go back through everything. Anything that's an insert will get at least penny sleeves, sometimes top loaded, but everything in this break is going to ship out to you. Quandijo, Coleman, Robinson, Reed, Julius Thomas, Reggie Bush, numbered to 299. Rogers, Jernigan, Bradley Roby Refractor, David Fales, numbered to 299. Pause here and let my camera catch up to me. Hold on a second. There we go. Fales. Numbered 62 at 299. There's a Bridgewater. Van Oy. Another auto, 2-auto box. Logan Thomas, blue. Numbered 191 of 199. Going out to the NFC West. So good work there. One box down, 2 numbered autos out. Admittedly, not the biggest stars in the product, but still numbered autos. Just so everybody's aware, I've got a large sorter box on the floor here next to me. That's where everything's going. Get them all sorted out at the end of the day. Next up, Valor. That's the way Dobes. There are 4 hits in a box of this product, guys. So hopefully that'll take care of some of you. Do I like Valor? It's, well, I'm not going to say that I don't like it. I mean, it's a really pretty product, and in terms of braking, it's really nice because it gives you the extra hits in there. I prefer Platinum, I think, a little more than Valor in terms of like product quality, but it's nice because it gets you the hits. Pretty much everything looks like an insert nowadays, so. Yeah, I would tend to agree with you on that black gold review, Dobes. It's pretty, but it almost feels to me like some of the real premium products, they're just starting to push so many of them out. They're starting to, they all kind of look a little cheap sometimes, which is just too bad for the price if you're going to spend that kind of money. There's a hit that we'll set aside. Another hit we'll set aside. I wish they made more products like Spectra, Panini Spectra. I know people aren't a huge fan of the product itself, but the fact that an individual pack of it carries 16 cards is very breaker friendly. It kind of reduces the shutout risk. If you open 4 boxes of that or so, it's still pricey. I mean, you're talking several $100s worth of product, but it definitely saves you the shutouts too. Alright, here we go, guys. I will stop on anything that looks important. Le'Veon Bell in there. As always, I'd like to thank the people at Topps for making sure that nothing's facing the same direction. Freeman, LaCoy, Morris, Forte, Murray, Connor Shaw. Wes Welker, Joe Montana, Jimmy Graham, Torrey Smith. All right. Comes a hit. It is Mr. Le'Veon Bell for the AFC North. Pretty card there. Big piece of jersey in the background. I don't see a number on it, but still pretty. You guys ever run across a box where you have penny sleeves that seem to be undersized, where you can't fit cards into them? I seem to be going through a pack of those lately. Le'Veon Bell, Bortles, Mathis, Charles, Sankey Hill, As you're about to see, one of my concerns with Valor is that unless I'm missing something, quite often the parallels look an awful lot exactly like the base cards. So there's a Wes Welker, 59 out of 199, and a Jordan Cameron, 102 of 399. If I don't catch those numbers as I'm scrolling through, I sometimes have to double back to them. Huff, Wayne, Nelson. Brady on the back. Aaron Donald, Fitzgerald, Flacco. And here we have James White auto for the AFC East, New England Patriots. Nice card there. Numbered 64 of 99. Yeah, it's something. Keeps you from being shut out. James White. Phil, Sam, Aikman. More upside down stuff. Right, Roethlisberger, Young. There's an Adrian Peterson, numbered 408 of 499. Nice card. You notice he's not carrying an actual stick with which to hit children in this. It's a rare insert if you find one where he's actually carrying a whooping stick. Julian Edelman, Namath Peterson, Elway Rivers, there's a numbered Le'Veon Bell, 280 out of 299. Barry and Bradshaw finish out the pack. Khalil Mack, Boyd, Lee. Derek Carr. All right. So anything numbered there will get top loaded before I ship it out. You guys seeing me okay? Thank you, Bad. I'm looking for... One of the downsides of being 6.5 feet tall, guys, you don't fit under a table worth a damn. Every time I move, I bump the table. Alright, hits. We have another Logan Thomas. Jersey auto. Nice card there. And a little better on this one, I think. Andy Dalton. But he's covering up a two-color Eddie Lacy for the pack. No, I don't see a number on the Logan Thomas or the Lacy. Still nice cards. All right. They are pretty well spread. I'm hoping to find something for, looks like the NFC East is still looking, NFC South is still looking, the AFC West is still looking. But it's still early. Platinum's next. Empty box. We had quite a conversation about New Hampshire last weekend, Yeager. Dad, that's pretty much exactly what I picture being a pastime in New Hampshire. I don't know what people there do other than that. Yeah, I'll have to pay a visit sometime. Find out for myself. Comes outdoor stuff. I think Michigan's got it as well made as just about anybody in the country with the lakes and climate change and all that kind of thing around here. BMW commercial on breakers or on TV? Dobes. Yeah, it seems like breakers, commercial breaks are getting longer and longer. All right. Here we go. Derek Carr, Pierce Pierce Blue, Bell Cutler Blue, Darqueze Denard X-Fractor, Blue Roma, Blue Thomas, A.J. McCarron die cut, Devontae Adams, Blue Mathis, Suggs, Moore. There's a refractor Andre Williams. Ace Sanders Blue, Jeffrey, Watt, Barry, X-Fractor Khalil Mack, Blue Glennon. There's a refractor Teddy Bridgewater. Nice card. Blue Earl Thomas, Von Miller. Dalton Blue, Thomas, Alonzo, Fitzgerald. There's the black in this box. Aaron Murray. Blue refractor, Smith, Bush, Cameron, Menzel refractor, Alonzo Blue. Nelson, Allen, Thomas, Savage, Arian Foster Blue, Sammy Watkins X-Fractor, and a non-numbered auto, Daquan Jones, AFC South, going out to the Titans. Daquan Jones, AFC South. Nelson Blue, Sherman, Luck, and Lynch. Romo, Allen, Johnson, Mathis, A.J. McCarron X-Fractor, Blue Gino. Moncrief. Paul Richardson X-Fractor. And let's see what we got here. Looks like we got a redemption. Oh, nope. There's a Connor Shaw. AFC North auto. There might be a redemption in there too. I'm not sure what I'm looking at with that other backwards facing card. Connor Shaw, non-numbered auto. Going out to the AFC North. Oh, there we go. There was a redemption. An autographed blue rookie refractor for Marquise Lee, AFC South. Going out to the Jaguars. I don't know if I've ever seen an auto and a redemption placed back to back in a pack. I don't know if that's a mistake by a sorter or just got lucky. Marquise Lee going out to the AFC South. Looks like AFC South is starting to clean up on this break a little bit in terms of the hit counts. And the other hit is a numbered green. It's a beautiful hunk of patch in there. Eric Ebron, Detroit Lions. Looks like we got 4 colors in that patch. There's some blue jersey, black, silver, and white in there. Number 90 out of 99. Nice card there. I hear rumors that Ebron and Matty Stafford are working together all off season, so he could come in next year and be a primary target in the Motor City. Nice card. Alright. Again, I'll go back through this afterwards, guys. Get it all sorted. Anything of value gets at least penny sleeves. Stuff very valuable gets top loaded. I find that the glossier the card is, the harder it is sometimes to pick up numbering and things if you have a parallel. It can sometimes be a little tricky. So that leaves us with just the finest. Yeah, I've seen it happen in some other tops and products, but I've not seen it in anything this year where you end up with back-to-back autos. They're kind of careful with the control, and as a result, you usually don't get the fourth hit in the platinum box. So I'm guessing that might have just been an error by somebody. All right. Last product of the break, guys. Thanks for buying in. Empty mini box. Oops. Pitched that one a little too early. There you go. 2 empty mini boxes. Six packs and 6 packs. A hit we'll double back to. There's our other hit, and we'll double back to that as well. Hey, here we go, guys. Kaepernick, Manning, Jordy Nelson Refractor, Thomas, Bryant, Ryan, Luck, Lynch. And numbered blue, Alshon Jeffrey for the Bears, 75 out of 99. Willis Griffin, X-Fractor Robinson. Fantasy's finest Adrian Peterson. Odell Beckham Jr. Finest Breeze. Kaepernick, Manning, Nelson refractor. I think we already went through this little stack. I just grabbed it again. Jordan Lynch refractor. Carlos Hyde die cut. Watkins, Wright, Smith, Romo, Deshaun Jackson X-Fractor, Sam, Brady, Charles, Gore, Fantasy's Finest, it's a Heartline, Aaron Donald. So now for the two hits. Mettenberger and Quinn in this pack. Cobb, A.J. McCarron. And Terrence West, Jersey auto, going out to the AFC North. Terrence West. And Troy Nicholas, Garoppolo, Marshall, Welker, and Aaron Murray. Jersey auto. Not numbered. Goes out to the AFC West. Alright, that's it guys, that's the break. Let's run through these quick, the hits from the break, and I will upload everything to YouTube if you have questions later on. Okay. Aaron Murray, patch auto, or relic auto, Jersey auto. Terrence West, Jersey auto. There's the Alshon Jeffrey numbered 99 we just pulled. There's the 4-color Ebron Green 90 and 99. Marquise Lee Redemption, an autograph rookie blue refractor. Connor Shaw auto. Daquan Jones auto. Neither of the autos were numbered. Eddie Lacy, 2-color patch. Logan Thomas, Jersey auto. Numbered 64 out of 99, James White. Valor Speed autograph. Le'Veon Bell, Jersey relic. Bishop Sankey on card. I think that's a Bubbles out of Bowman. 70 out of 99. And the Logan Thomas auto for the Cardinals. 191 of 199. Those are the hits, guys. By my math, we ended up with no hits for the NFC East or the NFC South. There's my elaborate math chart. Those two divisions will receive... Boom! One of those going out to each of the two hitless divisions. So thanks for buying in, guys, and thank you for dropping by the breakery this morning. I got to go take care of the chief financial officer upstairs, send my wife off to work. So the two hitless divisions, which by my math were the NFC South and the NFC East, are each going to get one of these sent out in your package. So keep an eye out. Everything should be delivered sometime this week. Thanks for stopping by. I'm going to stop the video and leave this up running, but I need to leave. Thanks for coming in.